aluminum in there, but these are not. I got steel and got aluminum pole. I don't know, guys, what do you think? Little Billy's done with it. Still work?
It's, the battery doesn't charge well.
Oh, it doesn't charge. Okay.
It doesn't charge well.
Yeah.
I'm not sure I had the right charger anymore. My son lost the original charger.
Yeah.
And so I bought one that I thought matched the batteries.
And it still doesn't charge.
Well, I don't know. I could have done it wrong. I don't know.
I got a kid that might be able to play with it. He does. Yeah. I give him all my electrical stuff, so I'll let him play with it a little bit.
Yeah, the only thing that was happening is it wasn't getting a lot of power, and so the batteries may be the wrong batteries.
Okay.
Or I may not have had the right charger to charge them, but I think that's all that's wrong.
Awesome, man. Thanks.
Yeah.
Give this to my man Connor. He likes to fix stuff. He's good at fixing electrical if he wants. The mother load here, guys. Hey, man.
I just put all this stuff out, and she's like, "You can't leave that stuff out there." I said, "I guarantee you, someone's gonna come.
Oh,
and
yeah.
whatever they can get."
Oh yeah, we'll take all the metal.
Yep, exactly.
For sure.
I'm totally that.
Yeah, we'll do all the metal for sure.
I got a dishwasher in there, but I got it's hooked up with a wire
Okay.
into the wall, so I could get that out too.
Okay.
I just put these out this morning because usually Waste Management comes on Fridays a lot of times.
Yeah.
And she's like, "Well, will they take it?" I go, "It doesn't matter. Someone's gonna get this."
Yeah, I usually run through here just because I know that their waste management's coming through.
They
And
don't
that,
always come through. I put stuff out before, and it's like a week later. But somebody gets.
yeah, no,
And
I
then
try
That's
to.
why I put the metal over there.
I try to get the metals.
I got a big dumpster that's coming today, but I'm getting all the metal because I know you.
Yeah.
You guys.
Yeah,
like
we do the metal.
And this is good stuff because this is all metal.
Oh yeah.
I mean, this is for you guys. It's probably a gold mine getting like a dryer, right? Washer, dryer.
Yeah, man, they're like,
Maybe.
they're about $8 a piece. Eight. So,
Hey, man.
so we get them all. I mean, you might have $20 right here. It's a nice little 15-minute stop. Let me just reorganize a little bit more because I can get one up there,
Right, whatever
and you got two more.
I can help you get something in there when you're ready.
I appreciate it, man.
I'll be just in here doing some stuff.
I could probably get it though. I do it all day long.
True. That's all you do. You load it
That's
up
all I do.
all day.
All day. Maybe sometimes a couple times a day. Yeah, there's a lot of metal out there.
I mean, that's the thing. I put it out there all the time just because that's what I do.
Yeah, I know. That's good.
I ain't a contractor, but I bought this house as a flip, and I said, okay, we did our own work, but every time I do my own work, I put anything metal out on the road for it.
Yeah, that's awesome, man. Yeah, that's what I want to do, man. I want to do some flipping on houses too.
Yeah, we bought one 3 months ago. I pretty much redid all that one. And
Yeah.
This one, it's got to be all gutted out.
You just gonna flip it, or are you gonna rent it?
Yeah, I can't rent it here now. They don't let you rent it.
They don't let. Oh, you have to flip. Yeah.
My AC unit in the back is getting taken out Monday too. That's all coming out. So that's all metal.
Wow. Do these work? Do you know? Did they work or not? Good.
The blade broke off inside, so it'll run.
Okay.
But the fans are running in there, but the AC is an old AC.
No, I mean these dryers.
I never even tried them.
You didn't try them.
I think they run.
They probably do.
I gotta get newer. If I'm gonna sell it, I can't sell it with, with
Yeah.
that, so
Yeah, I
I
know.
think they run. I mean, if you look inside, they're in good shape inside.
Yeah, they are, man.
Outside they're just dirty, but
Okay.
I think they run. To be honest.
Yeah, this is junk though. Here.
That one's pretty bad.
Looks bad. Yeah.
But the washer and dryer
They
inside
might
are
work,
actually
huh?
really nice inside. I mean, they're clean.
Yeah.
It didn't have a knob on it, and I'm like, okay, well, I'll just get it.
Yeah, this one I scrap. I'm thinking about this dryer. Maybe I can. Yeah, I'm just gonna scrap it, man. Sometimes when you're like, oh, it's like just the time of like answering people on Facebook. You know how that is.
Yeah. I look on Facebook to get these. I gotta buy all
I
this
know.
stuff.
I know.
I get refrigerator, washer, dryer, everything.
Sometimes it's a
brand new. I gotta buy.
Yeah, I know. Me too.
These appliance stores. I went in one the other day, and they had a lot of stuff.
But they want $400, $500, $600 for their stuff.
Even used.
Yeah.
But I don't want to buy new either because that's way more.
Yeah.
This is my best bet. So.
Yeah. This is going to the scrapyard. I'm just gonna cut that off. Thank you, man. I'd separate the wires and stuff. Because you can make, the wire right there's an extra $1 right there, or $2 for this big beast, like that. And you just take that, take that. That goes in as shredders. That's
Really?
20 cents a pound. This is $1.20 a pound.
Damn.
So
You could really make money if you find enough stuff.
yeah, you find enough stuff and you're working all day long like this.
Is that all you do? You just scrap metal?
Yeah, I just scrap metal.
It's a lot of work, but honestly, there's a lot of metal.
Yeah, I mean, I get about six to 800 a week. That's about what I do, and I'm not working that hard, but-
Right, exactly. And you're your own
yeah,
boss.
and I get to be, and I'm my own boss,
So
and
you take this to, where do you take it anyway?
artist.
So you just drop it off, they weigh everything, and
Yeah,
they give you a check right
yeah,
then?
cash.
No shit.
Yeah, they give you cash.
Wow. So you walk in, you get maybe $100, $200 just like that. Boom.
Yeah.
If you have a full load.
Yeah, full load would be about $250.
Man, this is a lot of stuff, too.
Yeah, it's a lot of work, and some of it I can resell, like that bike up there. I got a kid that likes to fix those little
Yeah, that's
electronic
the thing. You find
stuff.
stuff too that you can sell yourself.
Yeah,
on
now you can
Facebook.
resell. Yeah, a lot of stuff. I find all kinds of stuff people are.
You want to put this up there?
Sure. Yeah.
Put it up there.
I just kind of lift it like this, and then on the thing. If I could bring it back here, yeah. Hey, do you think we could like manhandle it right up on top of that other one? Yeah. Hold on. Maybe I can just do this here, like this. and then I'll
Oh, okay.
tilt it and then slide it in.
Oh, okay, so you got ways to do this.
Yeah, I just want to make
By
room
yourself.
because I got to get
You don't
two of them on.
You don't usually have somebody helping you though.
No.
You literally do this yourself.
Oh yeah. Let me cut this one. Yeah, let me cut it. And we got another. These are nice thick cores, man.
I didn't realize there was even money in that kind of stuff.
Oh yeah.
That's cool, actually.
Yeah, that's a big, thick, heavy duty. So you know, it's about $1.20 pound. That's about 2 pounds. So
That's legit.
it's about $5 right there.
That's no joke.
Yeah, I know. All right, we tilt it a little bit and then. Whoop. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hold on one second, my finger's caught.
Is it?
My finger's caught up on top. Oh,
Are you all right?
yeah, I'm good. Now the door's just shut on, that's all.
Yeah, that's what we want to
You were
avoid.
just pushing on one side. My finger was-
We want to avoid that. And then my last one will go right here.
That's crazy. Jeez. Man.
Yeah. Well, if you guys keep putting this stuff out for us.
I know. Exactly. How do I do it? I know who people take it. That's what she just came over. I was like,
Yeah.
get that shit out of there. I don't want that out there. I'm like, you don't
Yeah.
understand. Even if waste management doesn't come, somebody's going to take it.
Oh yeah.
Over the years, I've never left something outside that's in my day. If people drive through, you're not obviously not the only one.
I just saw it out of the corner of my eye as I was driving by there.
That's the thing. You don't even know when you come in here.
All right, watch your fingers.
Yeah, I'm good. I didn't realize that my finger was by the door. That's all.
Okay.
Hold on, stuck on that door.
Yeah. Awesome.
Nice.
You just never know what you're gonna find from day to day.
You have no idea, right?
Started out with an empty truck and now.
Oh, that's it already.
Yeah. I know. And I've only been out an hour. That's 1 hour's worth right there.
Holy crap.
Yeah. That's what I say.
Thanks for taking it though, man. I appreciate
You can.
it. I don't like it out there either if I don't have to have it out there, you know. It's kind of an eyesore.
Oh yeah. I get it. Yeah, we'll see what else I can find in this neighborhood, you know, and see.
Yeah, you never know. See, when people are doing remodel stuff,
I know.
they don't actually put it into like a big dumpster. You're not allowed to put this stuff in the dumpster. Like the one I'm getting today, it said no appliances. So I'm like, yeah, well, they're going up the road. You guys will take it.
That's the business to get into, man, is those dumpster businesses. Man, I can make money doing that.
Sure, man.
Then just unload all those appliances. Let people do it. Let them dump their appliances. I'll take those things. Heck yeah.
Right?
The appliances are where the money is at.
Is that crazy?
You can sit there and make a fortune. And you know what's sad? I went to the landfill the other day and I'm there dumping some stuff. No metal, of course, but man, they were burying aluminum
Like the gutter?
gutters. Yeah, just tons of them, just burying them.
You could have taken those
It was at least $500 of aluminum. They were just burying right there.
and you could have taken all that.
Oh yeah. But that, you know, that's the dump, man.
Most people don't care. When they're got the house, they'll put everything in a dumpster.
That's what it is. They don't.
But I think about people that, like you that might want to make a living,
Yeah.
you know, picking up metal.
Yep.
And nothing, so it's already gone. I had out here not even an hour yet.
That's awesome, man. I
The
can't.
first thing I did when I got in the house, I said, before I do anything, get the appliances out,
Right.
so you guys can get it, and then if I'm inside doing other stuff,
Well, sir, I appreciate it,
yeah,
man.
no problem, man. The only
That's
other metal
awesome,
thing
man.
I got would be the dishwasher, but
I can take it, but you know, you need help taking it apart, or?
no, it's all apart. It's just got one wire hooked to the wall. I just cut the wire. Honestly.
Well, you know
I
what?
didn't do it yet. That's all. I mean,
I just take it out here. Some other guy will get it.
somebody will do it.
Yeah, he'll get it. There's a lot of scrappers out there, man.
Holy cow, you have a lot of stuff in there. That's nuts.
Yeah, I got a channel. It's called Scrap Daddy, man. If you don't mind,
What's that?
if I got a channel, a YouTube channel called Scrap Daddy.
Get out of here.
You don't mind? That's why I got the camera.
Scrap Daddy.
Yeah,
Okay.
Do you mind being on my channel? I only got like 1,000 subscribers, but
No,
yeah,
that's cool.
that's awesome, man. I appreciate it, brother.
Thanks, buddy.
Awesome, man.
Yeah, hopefully you come back through if I don't have anything else out here, you know. Like I said, the only other metal thing, on Monday I'm getting the AC put in.
Okay.
Monday morning he says he's going to come over, so I don't know how
I'll
much
come
you get
by
on the
Monday.
AC, you know.
I'll come by.
That'll be, unless he
Yeah.
said, oh, I'll take it away, but
I'll swing by Monday morning, 10 o'clock, see if you got anything, 9:30, 10,
awesome.
11, so around there. And we'll
So
do another
Scrap
run.
Daddy, that's what it's called?
Scrap Daddy, yeah.
Oh,
It's got a
okay.
green logo with a
Okay.
money sign, a green logo and a money sign. Scrap Daddy.
Awesome, man.
Awesome, brother.
All right.
All right, take care.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, man. All kinds. Look at that.
You're doing well.
That's like 1 hour right there. That's
Got a
awesome.
red fox there on the Sandburg side.
Some kind of antennae, I don't know. TV or whatever. That's kind of cool. $217.85. Not too bad for a couple of hours this morning. Not too shabby. Actually, only about 100 of that was from a couple hours this morning. The other was from the electrical cords and all that I've collected over a week. But I want to see if I can go back and get that washing machine I saw on the side of the road. Little ways back. It works? Oh, nice. Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it. Nah, that's nice though. Somebody might pick it up. Hindsight, I should have picked up that door. It's working. We're gonna sell it. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, if it works, we'll sell it for 80 bucks. Somebody will buy it real quick. Maybe more, 100 bucks. Hey. disposer.
Sometimes that's the way it is, man. You're on your way home and stuff just keeps appearing. But I think I'm gonna call it a day right here, guys. Yeah, as always, it's a pleasure having you along with me. I hope you'll consider subscribing if you haven't yet. If you enjoy this kind of content. And thanks to all my faithful subscribers. We're almost at 1,000 now. Yeah, it keeps me motivated knowing you guys are watching. And I got a tip for all my scrapper friends out there. If you find an inline on-demand water heater, a big one, it's about 8 pounds of copper in there. Just crack it open. It takes about 15 minutes. And the bike I'm gonna give to Connor. He likes to fix bikes, electrical bikes. It's all his. Overall, man, it was a great day scrapping. See you next time.